Hello viewers, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Hey look what I have got for you. These lovely birds are very delightful, aren't they? We call them dove, not like the soap kind of dog products we use. Hearing them cooing feels pleasant to me, although they can be very scary at night when you're alone in your room. Anyway, the thing is that I am going to show this video to my little friend Mahdi, who has very fondness about birds, and I am pretty much certain of that. He will be very excited seeing them and more excited hearing his name on this video. If you like them, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and the bell button. Since I am new presenting the video on my YouTube channel, you are most welcome to leave comments on this. Once again, thank you for watching.